Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to enable Dapp browser on your Trust Wallet. Let's begin. So Dapp is basically an abbreviation for decentralized application. And for those who are not familiar with Trust Wallet or, cryptocurrency in general, because Trust Wallet is a crypto wallet, please subscribe to our channel because there's a lot of video tutorials that can help you understand cryptocurrency and, be able to earn more from it. So today I'm going to show you how to enable our Dapp browser. And given that we're already logged in successfully to our Trust Wallet, you can do this either on the app on your mobile phones or you can do this on your computer like what I'm doing now. So first you're going to do is go to the bottom part of the app and then hit on settings, look for preferences, and then when you click on that, you could already see Dapp browser in here. And once you do that, it will lead you to this page. You just need to click on that and it will show at the bottom part of the app for the Dapp browser. So when you click on that, this is what you can see. So pretty much it's, a tool for you to connect with other, like if you want to check other infos for cryptocurrency. It's basically a decentralized, browser that would run on blockchain technology. So that's, pretty much the use of it. So I think that's it. I hope you learned something today and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.